Hello everyone, welcome back to iLLPHOCORPHICS. In today's tutorial, I will show you how can you create an awesome circular stretch effect in Photoshop. I show you all the steps, tricks, and all the method to create this awesome circular stretch effect. I try my best to explain all these things so that everyone can create this awesome stretch effect. If you are a beginner, you can also easily create this awesome effect. Hope that you will like this tutorial. So watch the tutorial carefully until the end, and learn how can you also create a circular stretch effect in Photoshop. Don't forget to tell me your valuable word in the comment section below. Leave a like and subscribe if you didn't yet. So let's start today's tutorial. Now we are here in the magical world of Photoshop. I have downloaded this dancer image for today's project. I will use this image to show you how can you create a circular stretch effect in Photoshop. If you want to download this image and also the PSD file of this tutorial, you can check the link in the description. First, press Ctrl or Command plus J to make a duplicate layer. Go to the toolbar, and take Quick Selection tool. Now select the model. Take your time and select the model properly. Now we just select the model. Next, apply a layer mask. Invisible the background image. Go to the toolbar, and take Crop tool. Increase the size. I took YouTube thumbnail size. You can choose as you like. Hit OK. Now we need to fill the background. Create a blank layer back to the model. Go to Edit, Fill, and fill it with white. Invisible the model layer. Go to the toolbar, and take Gradient tool. Go to the option and click. Choose a color that you like to use for the background. I will use this blue gradient for the background. Hit OK. Now click to the middle and drag to the outside. We will use the redial style gradient for the background, not other styles. Go back. And again click to the middle and drag to outside. You can see it creates a gradient. Visible the model image. Now we will create our circular stretch effect. For that first we need to get a sample to create a circular stretch effect. To get the sample, go the toolbar and take a rectangular marquee tool. Click and drag. Make a selection. Now select the model. We need to remove the mask from the model image. Select Apply. Now press Ctrl or Command plus J to make a new layer with the selection. Press Ctrl or Command plus T. And make the selection bigger to length. If you are using Photoshop CC 2019 you need to press Shift. If you are using less than CC 2019 you don't need to press Shift. Hit OK. Take that to the top. And go to Filter, Distort, and Polar Coordinates. Select the rectangular to polar. That OK for our project. Hit OK. Now envisable the polar, and select the model layer. Go to the toolbar and take Ellipse tool. Create circle shape. If you press Shift it will keep its proportion, or you can create any size. Create the shape. Match the circle with model top leg and bottom leg. Now it's perfect. Next, visible the polar circle image. Press Alt or Option on your keyboard and create a clipping mask. Press Ctrl or Command plus T on your keyboard. And match the polar circle with the circle shape. It will make the polar as a perfect circle. Now press Alt or Option on your keyboard and release the clipping mask, and delete the background circle shape. Take the polar circle back to the model. Now you can see we created that circular effect. Next, we will make all the adjustment to make the circular stretch effect. Select the polar circle image layer, and apply a layer mask. Go to the toolbar and take Gradient tool. Click to the preset. And choose black to transparent. Click to the outside and drag. It will create that fade effect. Go to the toolbar and take Brush tool. We are going to remove the top area. Select the mask, change the foreground color into black. Increase the opacity and flow 100%. Now go closer and remove. Be sure to increase the hardness 100%, then remove this area. Now you can see we create that circular stretch effect. Next, we need to make some final adjustments to make that effect more attractive and gorgeous. Create a shadow first. Select the model image layer, and press Ctrl or Command plus J to make a duplicate layer. Select the down layer, press Ctrl or Command on your keyboard and click to the thumbnail of the layer. It will create a selection for the model. Go to Edit, Fill, and fill it with black. Hit OK. Press Ctrl or Command plus D to deselect. Use your keyboard to position the black layer. Go to Filter, Blur, and take Gaussian blur. Increase the blur to create that shadow. It's perfect. Hit OK. Next go to the toolbar, and take the Eraser tool. Increase the size. Be sure the hardness 0%. And remove the top area shadow. Now that's perfect. And I am happy with that shadow. You can make the adjustment as you like. Next, we will colorize the effect. Create a blank layer. Go to the toolbar and take Brush tool. Choose a deep blue color. Change the blending mode of the layer into color dodge. Decrease the opacity. Adjust the brush size. Press the right button on your mouse and decrease the hardness 0%, and apply. Apply the color where you like to apply. Now select the background layer. And create a blank layer. Change the blending mode into color dodge. Change the color, choose a blue cyan color. And apply the color to all over to the image. Make some adjustments. Now we will color pop up to out circular effect. Select the polar image layer. Go to the adjustment layer, and take vibrance. Press the right button on your mouse, and create a clipping mask. Increase the vibrance. Then select the top layer, go to the adjustment layer again, and take vibrance. Increase the vibrance. Go to the adjustment layer again, and take brightness and contrast. Increase the contrast. Now we need to add a shadow. Go to the toolbar and take the ellipse tool. Create a circle. Change the color into black. Go to the filter, blur, and take Gaussian blur. Select rasterize. Adjust the blur as you like. Hit OK. Press Ctrl or Command plus T and adjust the size. Be sure to press Shift on your keyboard. Take the shadow to the bottom. Decrease the opacity. And that's done. Next and the final step. We will add sharpening to the image. To do that, select the first layer. Press Shift plus Ctrl plus Alt plus E to merge all the layer into one layer. If you are using Mac, you need to press Shift plus Command plus Option plus E to merge all the layers into one layer. Press Ctrl or Command plus J to make a duplicate layer. Go to Filter, Others, and take High Pass. Increase the radius. And hit OK. Change the blending mode into soft light. Now we are done. We create our circular stretch effect in Photoshop. Let's see our final output. Now, I just show you all the process to create an awesome circular stretch effect in Photoshop. I try my best to show you all the process so that you can understand the tricks to create this awesome effect. You can use your own image to create this effect. Follow my step to create that effect. I hope you like this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, you can also check out my other tutorials on my channel. Hope you will also like. And thank you for watching the tutorial carefully until the end. Don't forget to tell me your valuable word about my tutorials and my channel in the comment section below. Leave a like in this video, and subscribe to my channel if you didn't yet. See you in my next tutorial. Till then, bye. And the most important thing, keep learning.